Hello everybody, this is my GE catalog number F11V163 16-inch 3-speed Vortalex Oscillating table fan. It has been completely serviced and rewired, and it runs very smoothly with a nice separation of speeds. We'll now give a demonstration of this fan, and we'll start off with high speed. And we'll bring in the oscillation. And we'll bring it down to medium. And we'll bring it down to low. And we'll go back up to high. And off to show the coasting. This really is a great fan. I can see why collectors love these. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this vintage Vortalex. In the next video, we'll take a detailed look at this fan. Thank you for watching, and we will have more to come, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.